Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a MetaMask account. First, you will need to download the official MetaMask browser extension. This secure cryptocurrency wallet allows you to interact with decentralized applications and manage your digital assets. It is crucial to visit the authentic MetaMask website to ensure you download the legitimate extension and avoid any fraudulent versions. Take a moment to double-check the URL before proceeding with the download. Once the extension is installed, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser. You will see a welcome screen. Click Get Started. Next, choose Create a Wallet. You will then be prompted to agree to the terms of use. After reviewing, create a robust password. This password is vital for accessing your wallet on this specific device, so make it unique and memorable. The next step is extremely important: securing your secret recovery phrase. This phrase consists of 12 words and is the master key to your wallet. If you ever lose access to your device, this phrase is the only way to restore your funds. Write it down precisely, word for word, and store it in a safe, offline place. Never, under any circumstances, share these 12 words with anyone. After securely recording your secret recovery phrase, you will be asked to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. Once confirmed, congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now successfully set up and ready for use. You can now confidently send, receive, and store various cryptocurrencies. Begin exploring the exciting world of decentralized applications and Web3 with your brand new, secure wallet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.